How to fix Telegram video problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, until you find storage. Now click clean up, and here just clean some space, and you can clean just junk files if you want. Click clean up, and or you can clean it from your gallery. Just delete some photos and videos, and after that go to settings and then click apps and then apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and then click force stop, and now go to permissions, allow storage here, and now just go to storage, clear cache. And I hope that can fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, now just go to Play Store and check if there is any update. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.